if I have it down farther, I feel like it'll come this way instead of over top. Pushed up those trees the other day, and now I felt like if we put them in the driveway, they'd be easier to work on instead of trying to cut them while they were upright. So that's what we're doing. So I'll videotape just a little bit while we're doing that. This side on here has not ever, at least not for many, many years, been cleaned out. So that's what we're working on. So there were some trees right in there that we took out, and some over there, and one there. So it looks like a wild place, but you know, it takes time. And here's the other side that's been cleaned out. My sister and her family cleaned that all out. It looks really good. I don't think it was quite as bad as this side, but it wasn't good. There's Shiloh and Sandy. Not sure they want to be around Dad when he's doing that. All right, that's all I can do because I think we're going to load up now. More next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.